Hey there, it's E Squared. I'm Erin.
And I'm Emily, and we are here to keep things simple and fun.
Have you ever wondered, where do I even start as far as equipment, modifiers, lights, all of those sorts of things when it comes to these dramatic sports photos or any studio photography? We are going to talk about modifiers today and some of our very favorite modifiers that we use for these dramatic sports photos.
And make sure to stick around all the way until the end because we have something special just for you.
And we hope by the end of this video, you feel more confident when you're filling up that Amazon cart with your next purchase of a modifier.
And for the best photography tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for notifications of future videos.
So first of all, speaking of a modifier, we're going to talk about all the different types that I like to use most, but a modifier is something that you are going to attach to your strobe, and it's going to give a variety of effects based on the modifier that you are using. Okay, so the very first modifier that we absolutely love is our 65-inch umbrella. It is huge, it's amazing. It covers so much space, and we absolutely love the look that it can give on our athletes.
And we use this one primarily indoors, and we love using it on females especially because it's a very soft light. We typically always have a diffuser over it. It spreads the light nice and even through the subject, especially if you only are working with one light. It is a very nice umbrella to use to spread that light out and really get a soft look on your subject.
Outside, on the other hand, and a lot of times with our male athletes, we absolutely love our 34-inch beauty dish. So this is a little bit more of a targeted light, more so than the 65-inch umbrella, but we absolutely love using this outdoors.
It really targets that light, gives a moody look and a dramatic look, which is really, really neat to see on male subjects. It's also a really good modifier for outdoors, especially compared to an umbrella that wants to spread the light really far, and we really want that targeted light outside.
And we also use this one on female athletes too.
Another modifier we use all the time is our deep focus reflector. And what this is it's just another modifier that we attach to our strobe. We typically are using the deep focus reflector on a second light that's usually behind the subject or off to the side of the subject to get more of a direct light towards the subject. We also, a lot of times, will attach our colored gels to the deep focus reflector to get that cool smoke effect on our subjects as well. So we hope that that was helpful. We like to keep it super simple. We don't like to go in crazy with all of these different modifiers. We typically are always using those three at our sessions. So nice and simple. If you want a full list of all of the equipment that we use for these sports photos, in the description below, we have links to all of our equipment as well as descriptions on how we use them during our sessions. So make sure to check that out.
And if you enjoyed this video today, make sure to like, subscribe, so we know to make more videos just like this one.
And we will see you next time.